Hello, what's up, my beautiful people? Hi, YouTube. Hi, everybody. So, guys, it's a beautiful morning. So, I've just woken up. It's around six in the morning. So, guys, I'm going to school. I have my exams, my next exams. So, guys, I'm freaking out, but it's gonna be okay, cause it's gonna be okay. I hope I've read. I hope I'm good. I hope I'm good. So, guys, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do, guys. And if you're my returning subscriber, I thank you so much for always being with me, watching my videos, subscribing since day one up to now, guys. So, guys, let us take this journey with you as I go to school and do my exams. Guys, I don't know how it's gonna be. It's my module 2 exams. So, yeah, guys, I don't know. I'm freaking out. Niko na tumbo moto. Tumbo ni moto, guys. Tumbo ni moto. So, ndio nisichelewe sana. Wacha nifanye hii intro. Twende nifanye exam nikimaliza. I'll tell you how it feels. Yeah, I can't wait. Do it, get done with it. Do my module 3, get done with it, and graduate. God, hey, I've been in school for the longest time, guys. So, thank you guys for being here. Enjoy the journey as we go to time and do the exams. I'm kind of happy and feeling at the same time, but so here I was in school. Yeah, I was just like alone with some other girl there. So guys, it was empty, no one was there, and it was 6. Oh my god, I was freaking out. There was no one. I just decided to record for you. Yeah, we were with this lady who just came in after, just looking at my fingernails. Yeah, oh guys, I was freaking out. By the way, you could look at my face. I was sleepy at the same time. I was freaking out about the exams. What? So guys, time was there. So guys was there, and then I was supposed to go. So guys, bye. See you later. Guys, guys, so lakini nimepatana na Stacy Tao. Hadi naogopa kufilm. Mimi sikuja na play.
uta subscribe.
No. Uliniacha.
Subscribe guys.
Fika huko.
So guys, mimi nimemaliza exam naenda home. Nimepatana na huyo beshte yangu. Yeah. Chao kuna kelele. Twende Stacy.